all politicals concerned. I hereby seek the governor to call out the governor designate for the sworn. Those who are sworn are 1. Dr. Zacchaeus Adando, Senior Doctor of Nigeria. 2. Honorable Isaac Kamalo. 3. Dr. George L. Agrenama Alawo. Do solemnly affirm that I will be faithful to the federal government of Nigeria, and I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the federal government of Nigeria. So help me God. To the federal republic of Nigeria, that as commissioner of justice, I will discharge my duties with well-being and prosperity of the federal republic of Nigeria. That I will strive to preserve fundamental objectives and to preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. That I will abide by the Code of Conduct contained in the 5th section of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. That in all circumstances I will do right to all manners of people according to the law, without fear or favor, affection or ill will. That I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person any matter which shall be brought under my consideration, or shall become known to me as Commissioner of Justice, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as Commissioner of Justice. So help me God.
Let me also say that you use this opportunity to write a strong protest letter to the chairman of EFCC that we're not in the era of impunity. There's a period of obeying the rule of law. The attempt to harass Bakanda General will not be accepted by this government. If not, we will charge them for contempt. Serious protest letter to the chairman of the FCC on the attempt by his men to disobey court judgments. Before now, the Rivers State government had judgment against the FCC since 2006-07. That the court said, you have no business with the financial transactions of the state government. EFCC have been struggling to set aside that judgment up till now. They have not even, they only sought for leave to appeal. Not that they have even appealed. So they cannot. Apart from that, the counter general has another judgment against EFCC to enforce its fundamental right. And we're in a political position, we're in a political period. People should not think that they will use the FCC to come and intimidate or manipulate, and nobody will accept that. So you have to attach the judgment of the candidate against the FCC and to send the right signal to them that we're not people that can be cowed. At a critical period where people want to know what the state is going to do after the Supreme Court judgment of judicial power of inquiry. Luckily, you came in at that time when we were preferred charges, preferred criminal charges against the former governor, Sahara, Toyenko, and the rest of them. We preferred criminal charges at the State High Court. So you are coming at the right time to take over the matter, to make sure it is prosecuted diligently. I don't want to hear excuses. Diligently. Let the people see what happened with our money. Let people see. It's not a question of every time people say this and say that, we didn't do this. The world will see how $50 million from our account moved to a company without nothing to show whether there was business, whether there was this and that. $50 million. And I want to commend all of you that you have shown commitment, you've shown hard work, you've shown loyalty. And for me, that's the only way to pay back the people who have shown, in spite of all odds, they are still there with you.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.